Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Today we will discuss cytoplasm of the cell. Cytoplasm of the cell, it is also known as cytosol. Cytoplasm protoplasm of the cell. Protoplasm of the cell which lies outside the nucleus. You see, cytoplasm, in other words, we can say that it is the fluid content, or it is the jelly-like substance surrounding the nucleus. Nucleus within the cell membrane. Which is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm jelly-like or fluid-like substance surrounding the nucleus. That means it lies outside the nucleus within a cell membrane. Cell membrane which is protoplasm of the cell. You see, protoplasm of the cell, it is the living part of a cell. Living part of a cell that is separated by a plasma membrane, by a cell membrane. In eukaryote protoplasm surrounding the nucleus. Cytoplasm, while as the protoplasm inside the nucleus, that is called nucleoplasm. Bon bhai ki you see cytoplasm jelly-like substance surrounding the nucleus and within the cell membranes you see it contains cytoplasm, it contains water dissolved materials, micromolecules such as it contains proteins and a complex mixture of cell organelles like endoplasm reticulum, Golgi apparatus. Due to this network of fibers, membranes, and many dissolved proteins, you see cytosol, it does not act like a simple fluid. You see, main function of the cytoplasm. Is it holds the cell organelles in place. I have already told you that you see cytoplasm, it is a jelly-like substance, surrounding the plasma membrane. Jelly-like substance, fluid-like substance, jelly-like substance surrounding surrounds nucleus within a cell membrane. You see cytoplasm, it is composed of mixture of small molecules, ions, amino acids, micromolecules such as nucleic acid, protein, lipid, polysaccharide, and besides this, it also contains cytoplasm contains क्या छस आत्म it contains the cell organelles such as like कुछ cell organelles आसा mitochondria endoplasm reticulum Golgi apparatus ribosomes lysosomes each of these it contains specialized cell organelles each of these cell organelles they perform a specific function for the cell organelles perform specific function for the cell they perform specific function for the cell specific function for the cell वुचो इस cell organelles क्या यम cell organelles they are enclosed by membranes enclosed by membranes membranes they are enclosed by cell organelles they are enclosed by membrane ठीक enclosed surround by membranes they are membrane bound organelles membrane bound organelles ठीक but in prokaryotes magar common maz prokaryote maz we have seen that in prokaryotes there is a poorly defined nuclear region amon maz asa nucleus asa prokaryotes asa define asal point there is a in prokaryotic cells they lack their nucleus lack a nuclear membrane due to the absence of nuclear membrane you see nucleus their nuclear region it is poorly defined it's not clearly defined undefined undefined prokaryotes they also lack membrane bound organelles besides well defined nucleus while as eukaryotic cells they have nuclear membrane as well as they contain membrane bound organelles and membrane bound organelles this is all about today's talk.